Hello sir, hope you're doing good. I am from TPS Academy. Are you looking to earn good return on your capital by investing in stock market? As you know, you can't get good returns on FDRD and other deposits. We have launched a course for those who want to invest in stock market or want to make a career in stock market. This course will help you to get knowledge from basic like what is stock market and how does it works, how to open a demat account and start investing, what is buy sell SL order and how to place them. And most important, you will learn how to read price and how to find the best level on which you should buy. After doing this, you will become a smart investor. After this course, you can also work in commodity market as well. And we are also offering a smart level calculator worth rupees 99.99 for free. Are you ready to subscribe them? WhatsApp on given number, hurry, limited time discount only.